Hi, good morning, my dear students. Hi, how are you? All are happy and safe? Okay, let's start our class. In the previous class, we have studied about nouns. Do you remember that? In the previous class, we have studied about nouns. What are nouns? Say all of you. What are nouns? Nouns are the names of people, places, animals, and things. Nouns are the names of people, places, animals, and things. Okay? All names are naming words or nouns. All names are naming words or nouns. Have your textbook and pencil with you? All of you take your textbook and take page number 13. All of you take page number 13. Let's do an exercise. All of you look at in your textbook. Circle the naming words in these sentences. All of you take. Circle the naming words. Look at in your textbook. All of you read. First sentence. The lion was roaming in the forest. The lion was roaming in the forest. Which are the nouns in these sentences? In this sentence, which are the nouns? All of you say, yes. Say, yeah, say, yes. Lion. Circle lion. All of you circle lion. Did you circle? Okay. Next. Which is the next noun in this sentence? All of you say, yes. Forest. All of you circle forest. It is a place name. It is a place name. All places names are nouns. Question? All animals name, all places name, all things name, and all people names are nouns. Question? This in this sentence, lion and forest are nouns. Read next sentence. All of you read next sentence. Again. Read. Yes. The mouse was playing on top of the line. Which are the nouns in this sentence? All of you say, yes. The first noun in this sentence is mouse. Next, all of you read once more. Yes. Lion. Next noun is lion. Circle, mouse and lion. All of you circle, mouse and lion. Did you circle? Okay. Read next sentence. All of you read next sentence. Look at in your textbook and read. Yes. The lion got angry. Which is the noun in this sentence? Say, okay. The lion. Lion is the noun. It is a animal name. That's why it is a noun. Understood? Next sentence. All of you read next sentence. The trap was laid by the hunters. In this sentence, which are the nouns? All of you read once more. Read once more. The trap was laid by the hunters. All of you look at in your textbook, page number 13. Circle the naming words. Understood? Okay. The trap was laid by the hunters. Which are the nouns in this sentence? Yes. Trap and hunters. These are the nouns sentence. Trap and hundred. Circle. Circle, trap and hundred. Did you circle? Yes. Next sentence. The mouse chewed on the rock. The mouse chewed on the rock. Circle. Yes. Mouse. Circle the mouse and rock. Mouse is an animal name and rock is a thing's name. Understood? First sentence, circle lion. In the second sentence, mouse and lion. Third sentence, circle lion. And in the fourth sentence, all of you say, yes, trash and hundred. The fifth sentence, which are the nouns? All of you say, a mouse and rock. Did you understand? Did you circle? Did you circle the noun? Okay. Very good. Next. Fill in the blanks with naming words of your choice. My dash is wearing brown shoe. Which are the nouns? Yes, brother. All of you underline brother. Underline brother. Next sentence. The dash is eating grass. Which is the noun? Yes, a cow. The cow. Cow. Underline cow. All of you underline cow. Next sentence. The cat is playing in the garden. Which are the nouns in this sentence? Yes. Cat and garden. Cat already have given. That's why all of you write garden in the dash. Did you write garden? All of you write garden. Next sentence. Father is reading a dash. Father is reading a. He's reading. Yes. Newspaper. Underline newspaper. All of you write and underline newspaper. Next sentence. The duck is swimming in the lake. The duck is swimming in the lake. Lake already have given. The duck, underline duck. Duck. Did you underline it? Okay. All of you underline these words. Okay, very good. Next, we are going to study sounds of animals. Next, we are going to study the sounds of animals. We can see many animals around us. All of them have different sounds. We can see many animals around us. All of them have different sounds. Isn't it? Okay. Look at this chart. Can you see this chart? Can you see this animal? Okay. Which animal is this? All of you say. Yes. Frog. Which sound makes a frog? Which sound makes a frog? Yes. A frog makes frog sound. A frog makes frog sound. A frog makes frog sound. Understood? Which animal is this? All of you say once more. Yes. Frog. Which sound makes a frog? Frog sound. All of you write frog K. Frog. Which sound makes a frog? Frog sound. Next, which animal is this? Can you see? Yes. Which animal? Do you know very well in this animal? Which animal is this? Yes. Dog. Dog. Which sound makes a dog? Which sound makes a dog? Yes. Bow wow. Bow wow. A dog makes bow wow sound. A dog makes bow wow. Dog. What's the spelling of dog? D-O-G, dog. Which sound makes a dog? Bow wow. Bow wow. Which sound makes a dog? Bow wow. Which picture is this? Which animal is this? Which animal is this? Yes. Snake. Snake. Do you see this animal? Yes, snake. Which sound makes a snake? Which sound makes a snake? Yes. His sound. His sound. Snake. Snakes make his sound. What is the spelling of his? H-I-S-S. Double S, not H-I-S. Double S. H-I-S-S. His. Next. It is this. Can you see this picture? It is this. Yes. This is a bee. This is a bee. Bee. Which sound makes a bee? Which sound makes a bee? All of you say, buzz, buzz. Which sound makes a bee? Buzz sound. What is the spelling of buzz? Buzz. B make buzz sound. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. B makes buzz sound. It is this. Can you see this picture? Yes, a cock. A cock makes cluck sound. A cock makes cluck sound. Which sound makes a cock? Cock makes cluck sound. Cluck. What is the spelling of cluck? C-L-U-C-K. Cluck. The sound makes a cock. Cock makes cluck sound. Can you see this animal? All of you know very well. Which animal is this? Yes, a cat. Cat makes, all of you know very well. Say, mew. Which sound makes a cat? Mew. Which sound makes a cat? Mew sound. What is the spelling of mew? M-E-O-W. Mew. This is the spelling of mew. M-E-O-W. Which is this? Can you see? It is this. All of you say, yes, a duck. Duck. Duck makes quack sound. Duck makes, which sound makes a duck? Quack. Which sound makes a duck? Quack sound. What is the spelling of quack? Q-U-A-C-K. Quack. All of you say the spelling. Q-U-A-C-K. Quack. Which animal is this? Can you see this animal? Which animal is this? Yes. It is a cow. 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 Which sound makes a cow? All of you say, cow makes moo sound. Cow makes moo sound. What is the spelling of moo? M-O-O. Moo. M-double-O. What is the spelling of moo? M-O-O. Cow makes moo sound. Cow makes moo sound. Next, can you this? What is this? This is a bird. Yes. Bird makes which sound makes a bird? Bird makes chirp sound. Chirp. What is the spelling of chirp? C-H-I-R-P. Chirp. A bird makes chirp sound. A bird makes chirp sound. A frog makes frog sound. Which sound makes it? Frog. Frog makes frog sound. Dog makes bow wow. Dog makes bow wow. Next, cock. Cock makes cluck sound. Cock makes cluck sound. Next, snake. Snake makes kiss sound. What is the spelling of kiss? H-I-double-S, not one. Single double S. H-I-S-S. Understood? What is the spelling of kiss? H-I-S-S. Kiss sound. Next, B. B makes, which sound makes A-B? Buzz. Buzz sound. Which sound makes A-B? All of you say buzz sound. Next, cat. Cat makes mew. Cat makes mew sound. Cat makes mew sound. Next, duck. Duck makes quack sound. Duck makes quack sound. Next, cow. Cow makes moo sound. Cow makes moo sound. Next, bird. Bird makes chirp sound. Bird makes chirp sound. Understood? Let's watch a video, all of you. The sounds of animals.
Animal sounds. Bee. Buzz. Bee. Buzz. A bee makes a buzz sound. Cat. Meow. Cat. Meow. A cat makes a meow sound. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. A rooster makes a cock-a-doodle-doo sound. Cow. Moo. Cow. Moo. A cow makes a moo sound. Dog. Woof. Dog. Woof. A dog makes a woof sound. Dog. Quack. Duck. Quack. A duck makes a quack sound. Frog. Ribbit. Frog. Ribbit. A frog makes a ribbit sound. Horse. Neigh. Horse. Neigh. A horse makes a neigh sound. Lion. Roar. Lion. Roar. A lion makes a roar sound. Mouse. Squeak. Mouse. Squeak. A mouse makes a squeak sound. Pig. Oink. Pig. Oink. A pig makes a oink sound.
Did you see the video? Did you hear the sounds of animals? Okay. Next, we will learn about sentence. How can we write a sentence? How can we write a sentence? Next, we will learn about sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells you something. A sentence is a group of words that tells you something. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells you something. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells you something. Understood? When we write a sentence, we must follow some rules. When we write a sentence, we must follow some rules. It always begins with a capital letter. Understood? The sentence always begins with a capital letter. Mostly it ends with a full stop. Understood? Mostly it ends with a full stop. After the question, always put a question mark. Understood? After the question, always put a question mark. Mostly it ends with a full stop. All of you say a sentence. Say a sentence. Yes. I am a boy. How can we write this? I am a boy. Can you see this? Yes. First beginning letter always write with a capital letter or a big letter. Always write with a big letter. The beginning letter always write with a capital letter. Don't forget that. Understood? The beginning it always begins with a capital letter. Understood? I capital boy after boy always put a full stop. Understood? Look at the chart, all of you. Look at the chart. Rewrite these sentences with a capital letter and full stop. She is my friend. All of you read. She is my friend. Rewrite these sentences. This is a small letter. Use capital letter. For beginning letter always start with a capital letter. That's right. S capital. She is my friend. Friend. Put a full stop. All of you put a after the sentence. Put a full stop. Did you put? Yes. All of you look at in your textbook also. We are going to the zoo. How can we rewrite it? W is a small letter. Don't write that. W. Capital. Use capital letter. W. Next, we are going to the zoo. Zoo after full stop. Put a full stop. After the sentence, put a full stop. Next. The dog. G is a small letter. That is wrong. It always begins, the sentence always begins with a capital letter. All of you write big letter T. Yes. The dog likes corn. Once after, put a full stop. Next sentence, we must eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Rewrite these sentences. Rewrite these sentences. How can we write? W capital letter. Use capital letter or big letter. W capital letter. Next, we must eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Full stop. After vegetables, put a full stop. Next sentence. He loves to sing. He loves to sing. Is it correct? No. H is a small letter. That is wrong. H capital. Use capital letter because it is the beginning letter. Understood? Because it is the beginning letter. Beginning letter always write with a capital letter. H capital. Use capital letter. He loves to sing. Sing after full stop. Understood? Yes. Next sentence. My brother is a painter. Is it correct? No. M is a small letter. That is a wrong sentence. How can we write? M capital M use. First beginning letter M capital. My brother is a painter. After this, put a full stop. Did you put full stop? Next sentence. We shall come tomorrow. Is it correct? No. W is a small letter. That is wrong. W capital letter. Use capital letter. The beginning letter always write with capital. Okay. We shall come tomorrow. Yes. Put a full stop. After the sentence, put a full stop. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Understood? A sentence always begins with a capital letter and mostly it ends with a full stop. Before the question, always put a. After the question, always put a question mark. After the question, always put a question mark. Understood? Okay, all of you study very well. Every day you should read your textbook, write and study very well. Okay, thank you.